Okay, good. I have my cookie container. My cookies with. But now I'm going to get something out for you to show you. Now, does anybody know what kind of cookie this looks like? An Oreo. Now the best part of an Oreo is not eating it like this, right? What you do is to get the stuff, right? Do you like the stuff in an Oreo? Here, can you feel how soft that is? Isn't that pretty good stuff? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put that away. Now, see, you have this stuff here now. Which hand would you like to use for this trick? This hand here? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put the stuff in like this. You hold your hand now. I have a very, very special magic wand for this trick. Not any old magic wand, but a really, really special magic wand. I have my Oreo magic wand. Now, are you ready? Here we go. On the count of 3, we're going to do some magic. I'm just going to tap your hand and the magic's going to happen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Did you feel that magic happen? You did? Oh, great. Let's put that back in there and let's see what happened. Open your hand. Oh, look at that. You got double stuff. Who likes double stuff? Now, let me ask you a question. You picked double stuff, but out of the double stuff, do you like this stuff or do you like that stuff? This stuff here. Okay, we're going to put that over there for a minute, and I want you to take that stuff. Hold it in your hand, and what we're going to do is, I put that dumb magic wand back in here. Let me get it. Here we go. Now, on the count of 3, we're going to do some magic again. 1, 2, 3. Now, did you feel the magic this time? Okay, great. Open your hand. Oh, you got double stuff again. You must really, really like double stuff. But you know, I can think of one thing better than double stuff. Here you go. Let's take your hand and close your hand up. Let's get that magic wand again and wave it. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Did you? Whoa! You not only have double stuff, you got chocolate stuff. Who likes chocolate stuff? Well, you hold on to these a minute. But you know what? I personally don't like mixing my chocolate stuff with my white double stuff. So we're going to put that chocolate stuff away and get that magic wand out. And here, give me those. Now, we're going to do this again. Now, do you like this stuff or that stuff? That stuff here? You know what? Tell you what. I think you like stuff so much, we're not going to give you just this stuff, or we're not going to give you just that stuff. We're going to give you all the stuff, okay? Here you go. Close your hand up real tight, turn it over. Now let's get the magic wand. 1, 2, 3. Did you feel the magic that time? You did? Okay, what do you think you have now? Let's take a look. Turn it over and see. Oh, wow! Look at all that. You really like stuff in your Oreos, don't you? I mean, do you even eat the cracker part or you just eat the stuff? Well, I mean, you know what? You have so much stuff, we better do something else. Hold on to these for just a minute. I'm going to go get something right here. Everybody like my bag? Hey, do you think it's utterly ridiculous? Okay, anyway, tell you what, I want you to just drop some of your things in there. Okay, stuff them all the way down. There you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to try to do a magic trick and see if we can't get something magical here with all that, to go with all that stuff. Maybe a glass of milk, or maybe something else. Shh. So on the count of 3, what the heck, let's get that magic wand one more time. But this time I'll let you do the magic wand. Okay, wave it over the bag. Say, double stuff, double stuff, double stuff. Okay, great. We'll put that over here. And now what I want, reach in the bag and see what you got. Whoa! You got real cookies! But I'm sorry, I think these actually have the cracker part on too. It's not just stuff. But for being such a great helper, these are your cookies. Now, but I do want you to obey the rules, so if you have to give this to a teacher to the end of school or lunchtime, you can do that, but this is for you. And thank you so much for helping.